Today is a special treat for fans of nanotechnology. 2 aluminum strips have been used to create an air battery. This battery takes the water moisture from air and converts it to electricity using my graphene and hematene nanotechnology. Prior to this, an awful lot of people kept on going with their whining and stupidity, saying that it's merely galvanic action. Well, now we have 2 pieces of aluminum foil, not different metals, the same metal. Watch what happens when we connect it to the voltmeter. It's now set to voltage on the multimeter. Now I'm going to set it to amperage. Well, if amperage or voltage are flowing in the cell, and yet the cell itself is 2 pieces of aluminum. Graphene and hematene powders are used on one electrode to create this effect. The graphene and hematene on one aluminum electrode create an electrical variance between that and the normal one. This one is the coated, this one is the normal. So electricity can be created from the ambient air. The water moisture in the air reacts with the battery, and the nanotechnology allows you to make it into a battery cell for power.